have a round of applause for our guests, Dr. Guest. The nature of being an entrepreneur means that you are fully embrace anxiety and are comfortable with being challenged regularly. A very cheerful and entrepreneurial morning to all the dignitaries and all my dear students. Today we all have gathered here as we have a motivational session by a very successful entrepreneur and our 2 days expert speaker Mr. Dheeraj Mehendiratha, who is a founder and CEO at a company, Worky.ai. City University is really honored to have you in the campus, sir. We all welcome you here. Now, may I please take the privilege to call up upon the stage our expert speaker of the day to kindly enlighten our young minds with your wise words.
Hello everyone, good morning. So my name is Dheeraj. I'm founder and CEO of Worky.ai. It's a talent intelligence platform. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone from the City University teaching and administration team. So are you all having a good time? A bit louder? Okay, wherever you feel the session is going to be a bit boring, please let me know. We'll change the flow a bit. Do you need this? Which one?
Need a cordless microphone.
No, it's fine. It's fine. So today I am here to share my journey of entrepreneurship with all of you. You all must have seen that what media portrays or shows that businessmen, entrepreneurs are super successful and it's a shiny life, but what goes behind that, this is something I'll share with you. So before building or achieving success in Worky.ai, I built 3 startups previously. So first I'll walk you through my journey. I started my career with Genpact as a financial analyst. I worked there for a year. After that, I left the job and came back to Ludhiana to have my first startup. That was back in 2015, November, this time, 6 years back. So we started a platform called Click Study. So we thought from day one that we are going to be really successful. We'll build a platform and we'll share it with the schools and schools will have it. We thought of giving it for free, that we will capture 200, 300 schools, we'll get the funding and we'll be really successful. So now it's a joke, but at that time I told my dad I'll be buying a Mustang in 2 months. So all the savings that I brought up from my job, I spent everything on that platform. So successfully we gave the platform to 200 schools, but one mistake that we did, we focused too much on building the technology or building the product. तो जब मार्केट में गए तो उस टाइम रियलाइज हुआ कि टेक्नोलॉजी से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिजनेस समझना. और साल चलाने के बाद काफ़ी सारे स्कूल से डील करने के बाद बहुत सारी सच्चाइयाँ सामने आने लगी कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जितनी ग्लोरियस दिखाई जाती है उतनी है नहीं. Definitely you achieve that glorious part, but it comes with certain price and with some right dedication and direction. So journey आगे बढ़ी. That was my first startup. We had to take the exit. That was very tough. So next I sat idle for like 3 months. I had nothing to do. I was approached by 2 friends who said that they are going to start something in the healthcare. So at first बहुत हिचकिचा रहा था कि whether I should start or not. लोग क्या कहेंगे, घर वाले क्या सोचेंगे या दोस्त क्या कहेंगे. लेकिन एक मिला कोई दोस्त या कुछ कह सकते हैं कुछ मेंटर जिन्होंने बोला कि लोगों की परवाह नहीं करनी. You just start something, things don't stop, it only stops when you want them to. अगर आप चाहते हो आगे बढ़ना तो किसी चीज के लिए रुकने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है, किसी चीज की वेट करने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है कि मेरे दोस्त सेटल हो गए या मेरे कजन्स सेटल हो गए, वेदर आई हैव टू स्टॉप फॉर दैट और गो गेट समथिंग विच रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर डूइंग. So I thought a lot, then I started working in that health tech startup. So that was the e-pharma, basically selling medicines at home, and back in 2016 mid, around July. So we were the pioneers in the whole Punjab region where we were selling the medicines online. I remember a lot of people praised us that this is the first thing that you guys are starting, but many people resisted us also. The resistance came from conventional, businesses, and a lot of people who said ki you are selling the Schedule X drugs. Schedule X drugs means the medicines which are of, which are only to be used if prescribed by the doctors specifically, और जो prescription के बिना कोई भी नहीं देता. But we had our own ways of doing things, and with that we achieved a lot of success. I raised my first round of funding, approximately 60 lakhs I raised. Again there was the bunch of mistakes after 6 months of building the startup successfully, which I started realizing. पिछले स्टार्टअप में मैंने एक गलती करी थी कि टेक्नोलॉजी पे बहुत फोकस कर दिया था और 8 महीने उस पर बर्बाद किए थे. इस बार टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया था लेकिन पैसे बहुत ज्यादा बर्बाद कर दिए थे. वी स्पेंड 20 लाख ऑन बिल्डिंग द ऐप. वी थॉट कि ऐप बना लेंगे, ऐप बेच देंगे, लोग आएंगे, डाउनलोड करेंगे, मेडिसिन खरीदेंगे और वी विल बी हैविंग lakhs of people with us. So why I'm highlighting all these mistakes, many of you will be building your own startups or even doing anything. You have to think the points which can create a resistance. So my whole reason to come here and speak is to work on those resistance in advance and usko skip karke how to be successful. So these points are worth noting for you guys. So the app came out really success. We did a launching party. We were very happy that we invited people, friends and everyone कि हमारी app की launch party है. But again, when we saw that people were not actually ordering the medicines from the app, they were ordering the medicines from WhatsApp. A free tool. I mean, we spent 20 lakhs on an application, but people are ordering it on WhatsApp. Again, there was this lesson that not to spend too much on the technology while building a startup until and unless you are building, let's say, an EV tech or a specific technology, which is a core tech, which acts as a base of your business. But here we were doing a business of medicines, not a business of technology. Technology comes to enable something, not to build a business. मतलब बिजनेस के सराउंडिंग पे टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई जाती है, टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर बिजनेस नहीं बनता in 99% of the cases. So again 3 to 4 months we realized हमारे orders बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन orders का जो value है that is coming from the more volume of the orders is coming from WhatsApp. So I went to launch it in Chandigarh and Gurgaon. So Chandigarh again was very successful. Then we launched it in Gurgaon. So Gurgaon में जाके हमने realize किया many a big companies who have just started with us, they are giving a very high discounts. And our 60 lakh was drying up in the parties we did, launch parties, in the application that we spent. खुद salaries draw करनी शुरू कर दी. We hired a lot of people. So this also comes up with the learning that in a startup, the first 3 to 4 people can achieve a lot in 1 year. You don't need to hire 20 people, 30 people. I mean, जो 4 लोग achieve कर सकते हैं. Initially you need to do things on our own. हमने कुछ startups देखे जो हमारे साथ शुरू हुए थे. Now they have reached to $1 billion. Startups like PharmEasy, 1mg, NetMeds ये हमारे टाइम पे ही बने थे और इन फाउंडर्स ने खुद जा के डिलीवरी करी थी और हम यहाँ पे हमने 4 डिलीवरी बॉयज रख लिए थे. तो ये गलती थी हमारी not to do the groundwork. So groundwork is really important for anything to do. Again, learning the mistakes when we launched it in Gurgaon. So just to make the good revenues, we started some more areas where we were serving in the healthcare services at home, yoga at home, fitness at home. So that thing brought us a good revenue. So we started building and running, but eventually because of the cash burn, we again had to close it. So my learnings from this startup again was, now next time if I'm starting something, I'm not going to spend single penny on a technology initially. Technology will come on later. जो सस्ते टूल हैं, लो कोड नो कोड टूल्स हैं, एग्जिस्टिंग टूल्स हैं, उनको यूज करो, जस्ट स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. Second thing is not to do the hiring initially, so much hiring. Just have 2-3 people who understand your vision and who can build the things with you. I read this somewhere, when you are building a small ship, you don't need the captain of a big cruise. You only need the pirates with you at that time. The pirates who can build while sailing and can sail with you even the seas are rough. So this was a learning from 2 startups. Now at the time of 3rd startup, I was actually at a situation near the bankruptcy. Bankruptcy as in I didn't have a single penny in my pocket. So what to do, when to do, और इतनी craziness आ चुकी थी कि अभी job पे नहीं जा सकता. तो that was a mistake. That was a mistake because many of people say nowadays कि 9 to 5 नहीं जाना. But that's a myth. That's a myth. Because my co-founder left he didn't pursue the next startup. He went on to a job. He's also doing good in his life, and so I took my own journey. So eventually both are doing good in life. It's about the approach you take and how do you work on that approach. So I'm also emphasizing on a point कि never say bad to 9 to 5. You can also do wonders there. So next thing, without any money, so I was thinking what to do, how to do. I had a little experience from my healthcare startup, but this time I knew where to save the money. So I was just sitting here in my office, and Zomato came into my office when they launched in Ludhiana. They launched in our office, the co-working space we had here. So they had the 10th anniversary, and I was speaking to their managers that how they started, how the things worked. They said we did the groundwork first, and then we started adopting and putting up technology in the market. Zomato पिछले 7 साल तो सिर्फ menus की photo खींच के डालती रही है, and it became so big. At that time, there was a right moment. Zomato started delivering food. So you wait for the right time. Till then you just keep on building yourself. This is the key. This is the only key. I have seen many students, I come across, I meet many students in the college, they are building things and launching it. No matter what. Someone has just launched 50 cheat hacks to crack an interview. Just a little thing he built, and someone bought it for $20,000. That only cheat sheet, because it was gathering a lot of hype. So you just keep on building the stuff. So this is the thing, and that I adapted without a single penny. I went and met 3 hospitals in Ludhiana. Hey, I can provide you the healthcare services at home to your patients. Why don't you do a corporate tie-up with me? So there came many questions. I was very honest in my approach that I have 3 people, but I don't have resources other than that. Fortunately, one of the hospital gave me chance. So with this my journey started. I'm sorry. I hope this is not going in a direction where it is getting bored. Just a review.
No.
Okay. ज़्यादा भी sad भी नहीं होना. इतनी sad story भी नहीं है. Now I'm doing really good.
No, your story is very good, and I think that it will give a motivation to our students.
Thank you. So I started that. I came home, was very happy कि मेरी कंपनी रजिस्टर नहीं है और मेरी जेब में सिर्फ 500 रुपए है, and I have to pay my credit card dues, और बैंक वाले मुझे फोन कर चुके हैं what to do, and I started my business. I went to my dad, कहते फिर नई ऐप बना दी तूने. हर साल नई ऐप बना देता तू. So I said no, this time not an app, not a website. I am starting a business. I will put technology whenever and wherever required. So this time I didn't do the mistakes that I did previously. This time I did new mistakes, new learnings. So we started making good revenues. We tied up with the hospital. We received the advance, and with the advance I came back and I made a company. So initially I didn't make the private limited. I just spent 2,000 rupees and made a a partnership firm. So this saved me a lot of money on the compliances and legality. So the rest of the things I spent on just giving advance to the people whom I booked the nursing staff on an advance basis, on a per day basis. This gave me an access to 5 people. So that 8,000 window gave me a work for 1 month. With that I earned a revenue of 1 lakh. Then things went on to becoming big. We really did a great revenue. Then we started adding services, and in this market the mistake was not understanding what's going on in the ground. Not as in going myself, here I was going myself to understand the needs of the people, but how the people are being managed in the conventional industry. Because whosoever was going to serve the patients, in 3 to 4 days they were taking care of the patient directly. They were cutting off the middleman. So again this business ran off for 8 months, but I was highly frustrated that what's happening in my life. I'm using all the right approaches, I have read all the books, I have seen all the documentaries of big entrepreneurs. What is happening with me? So that's where I thought कि अभी 3 startups तो fail कर लिए हैं, कि entrepreneurship की books पढ़ के या journeys पढ़ के कुछ मदद मिलेगी, लेकिन जो ग्राउंड वर्क पे या ग्राउंड रियलिटीज हैं वो खुद जाके समझ आएगी. सो इस टाइम पे ग्राउंड रियलिटी थी टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द सप्लाई चेन वर्क, हाउ द सप्लाई चेन ऑफ पीपल वर्क देयर. दैट आई डिडंट डू. दिस लीड्स टू अ पॉइंट दैट इनफ रिसर्च, if you don't do that before starting anything, even for a job, research is required. I have seen many people, they apply for a job, just सुबह उठे job पे apply किया, and luckily you get a reply from them, hey what job or what job role you are applying for. Obviously अभी कॉलेज में कुछ चीज़ें हमें नहीं क्लियर होती कि किस रोल के लिए हम सूटेबल होंगे, बट हम ये भी नहीं पढ़ते कि किस रोल के लिए हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द ग्राउंड रिसर्च दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड, कि किस रोल के लिए हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, और खुद को असेस भी नहीं करते क्या रोल वो हमारे लिए ठीक है. इज इट गुड फॉर अस, इट इज गुड फॉर आवर करियर, बिकॉज गेटिंग अ जॉब एंड गेटिंग मेकिंग अ करियर आर 2 different things. So this point I connect with my journey of entrepreneurship. I hope you can work on this point in your entrepreneurship journey, or maybe in your getting a job. So once I built the 3 startups, failed them, I had my fair share of learnings. Then I went on to speaking to students and aspiring entrepreneurs. ये नहीं बता रहा था क्या करना है, ये बताना शुरू किया क्या नहीं करना, क्या नहीं करना. किसी भी चीज को शुरू करने से पहले उसकी अच्छी रिसर्च करनी है. रिसर्च का मतलब स्पीकिंग टू द स्टेक होल्डर्स. स्टेक होल्डर्स उसमें कौन हो सकता है? लेट्स से इफ आई एम सेलिंग बुक्स, बुक्स किसको बेच रहा हूँ ये देखना जरूरी है. इज इट जस्ट दी नॉवेल्स एंड ऑल, स्टोरी बुक्स, और इट्स द स्कूल बुक्स. अगर स्कूल बुक्स हैं तो स्टेक होल्डर्स कौन है? स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स. Parents will be the one buying, schools will be the one authorizing, and obviously the end user is student. But here you have to work something where parents get to realize the value of that book. So understanding the stakeholder is really important. And if I apply that to getting a job, understanding which company you are going, reading a bit about it is really helpful. Let's say some XYZ company, let's say Flipkart. What is Flipkart? What is Flipkart? E-commerce. You are applying to Flipkart. What things will you be seeing? कोई भी एक जाना बता दे. Yellow T-shirt. Yes. Sorry, yellow T-shirt. I have to say like this. Can you please stand up? Flipkart में job apply कर रहे हो. What information you will read? क्या देख के job apply करोगे?
सर पहले तो देखूंगा कि इज इट सक्सेसफुल फॉर मी और नॉट. पहले तो मैं उसके लिए, उस जॉब के लिए प्रेफर कर सकता हूँ या नहीं. देन मैं अपनी स्पेसिफिकेशंस के हिसाब से अप्लाई करूंगा.
स्पेसिफिकेशन एज इन कोई एक चीज का एग्जांपल.
लाइक आई विल बी अ गुड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर.
मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर. ओके. नेक्स्ट. Don't worry, even if you give wrong answer, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सही गलत की कोई बात नहीं है. I'll explain.
सैलरी.
Nice. लोग कहते हैं कि सैलरी की बात मत करो, लेकिन पैसे के बिना क्या होता है
ना. सब जॉब तो उसी के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ ना.
ठीक है, लेकिन स्टार्टिंग में यू कैन फोकस मोर ऑन द करियर. एक बार तुम्हारा करियर सेट हो गया, द मनी विल फॉलो. सो I'll tell you. Sit down. Thank you. So you will understand what kind of job role is, what's the location, which is the region in which I am going to serve. किस तरह के वहाँ लोग होंगे, किस तरह का culture होगा. Culture means not as in the background culture, as in an organizational culture. Is it an open culture where timings are open, where nowadays only remote working is there? And what are the reviews of the people? You can go to Glassdoor and read the reviews of the company, and also जो work profile पे मैं जा रहा हूँ, let's say you are going for a product management role, how the previous people in this role are successful. You have to go to LinkedIn, go to Glassdoor, understand and read about the organization. And also same applies for a startup. How to do the research, everything is available on the internet. Once you fetch the enough data, then you just have to build something on a paper. And let's say you want to open an e-commerce website for women clothes. You have to understand कौन से segment को मैं target करना चाहता हूँ. Is it the women in the age group between 25 to 35? And you will meet some people and tell them that this is what I am trying to build. Would you buy? These are the, is it ethnic wear or is it formal I am going to sell? What's the sweet ticket price that you would like to pay? अगर 10 लोग कहते हैं कि 1000 rupees is something which is the average ticket price we use for shopping, let's say for a particular top or a particular one piece of cloth. So you now have a validation from the people itself. So doing a validation is really important for anything. So now after that point of time, once I failed my third startup, I took up a job. So where I sat on the other side of the table and started managing the investments in a Ludhiana-based group called TAN Advisors, the Angel Network. So luckily, I got an opportunity because of my previous experiences. And just to add a point, last when I visited the college, I was working with TAN. So 2 years back, yeah. So working with TAN for 1.5 years, I got a very good opportunities in managing the investments of a very big startups in India. So there I got a chance to understand the minds, the brilliant minds who have built the $1 million businesses. What is special in them? What is extraordinary in them? Why their businesses are not successful? Why I couldn't build that successful business? So the points which I realized in my 3 failures, they learned it from the jobs they did, the specialty they achieved. These were the people who have spent some 1 year, 2 years, but specifically doing something in which they were really good at. If one person was in a job of an investment banker, he or she understood the finance industry so well in that short period of time. They had this goal. चाहे मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन बाहर निकल के मुझे ये स्टार्टअप बनाना है और इस स्टार्टअप को मुझे इस तरीके से चलाना है, and these will be the stakeholders. So these are the few points which they understood and worked on it. And after 1.5 years, so last year in pandemic, when I left my job, so that was again a moment for me to jump onto entrepreneurship journey. So this time I thought I will gather all the learnings again, will put it down on the paper, and then I will start. Earlier my organization name was Merge. We started out, now here again comes a learning. I didn't succeed in the things which I started earlier, because doing one thing and getting success in it is really a myth. It brings a lot of changes in approach. That approach is called agile methodology. That might be a lot of, that be consisting a lot of meanings as per the textbooks, but agile means you keep on building something while learning, but you also come up with the certain experiences and your fair share of learnings. So I mean jumping off the cliff, but be prepared how I have to build the parachute. It's not like I'm simply jumping and I don't have resources to build a parachute. So we started Merge, where we help students to get internships. So this time we gathered a community of 10,000 students across India and provided them with the internship opportunities. Realizing the needs and demands of the companies, where the need is happening, what all players are there. So this time we did a very extensive research. So now, while I was heading, I met someone who had 10 years of experience in the HR field. So we brought them in as a mentor. So now is again a new learning. When I thought that I knew everything, I understood the value of a mentor. Mentor is not something कि कोई एक बार मिला आपने सलाह ले ली और उसने कुछ भी बोल दिया, you just go and do it. So my mentor, so I first met them 31st December की रात को हमारी उनके साथ मीटिंग हो रही थी and he was saying कि people are celebrating New Year and you are speaking with me. So we said that this is the direction we have achieved and this is the direction we want to go. What things need to be done, and this is our roadmap. So our mentor really understood our journey and really paved a way for us. So that's the importance of mentor we understood and started building it. So this is the point where we changed the name to Worky.ai and build the concept to talent intelligence. So while talent intelligence, when we shifted the focus of talent intelligence from internships to a bigger problem, we realized we didn't have the product, how to go out in the market. So at that time our mentor told, why don't you build the mock-ups and wireframes of the product? Means only design. Screens design karo, companies के पास जाओ, and not small companies with 10,000 people, companies likes of Bosch. हम single screens के साथ गए Bosch के office in South. We told them that this is what we are coming with. What is your opinion? So their team said, they understood, first tested whether we have the knowledge of the concept that we are really selling. They also judge you. So once they were okay with that, they saw the product. They said, this is no product, this is just a design. We said, yes, we will make the product according to your needs. So we received a yes from them. We came back, started building, and meanwhile took 10 more companies, likes of Vedantu, Byju's. And this is how our journey started with this, just speaking to people, taking up the problems. And in this journey, many people were there who were just praising us, who were just saying that you are doing good. But we needed people who were grilling us. शुरू में बुरा लगा, कोई आके बोला कि तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट क्या है, तुम तो अभी पूरा प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं बनाया, how are you selling it, how can you sell it, this is not working for my company. But the learnings that we had, we knew हम क्या बनाना चाहते हैं और क्या बनना चाहते हैं, और उसके लिए टाइम लगेगा, because you should not compare your day 1 with day 100 of someone. वो भी उस 100 डे पे कुछ चीजें, कुछ स्टेप्स लेके पहुंचे हैं. So you should have your own journey and keep on just walking and learning. So while we iterated the product just with the screens and took up 10 companies and had a big revenue, we received our first round of funding. That is just 2 months back. So this is my story that comes to here at this present moment, that we really built a successful startup. But after going through a lot of iterations, lot of where we had to break, shake things, and this is where we are, and this is how we built it. The work. We are going to be Asia's first startup doing the talent intelligence, and that is true from India for the world. So that's it. So any questions that you have, that you want to understand, maybe you want to start a startup or related to your career, anything, I'll be happy to answer.
Hi sir.
Hi. Hi, morning.
So what are the challenges you face when you are in a startup stage? Because when you are hiring employees, basically being a startup, literally most of the employees are not interested to work in the startup. When you look into the sector, so what are the challenges and how do you get the good product to employees?
Yes. So you look out for pirates in that moment. Pirates means who are ready to take any way with you, who are ready to jump off the cliff with you. Right? You cannot hire the people who have worked in a very good environment and they only want things to be built automatically around them. You want people who can just sit on the ground और बैठ के तुम्हारे साथ जमीन पे बैठ के चाहे उनको खाना पड़े, चाहे साथ जमीन पे बैठ के उनको लैपटॉप लेके काम करना पड़े. You need that kind of people, and it's not easy to find that kind of people. I have seen people come with an enthusiasm, they work for 2 days and then they leave. No show, you don't get to realize कि कोई आया भी था, कहाँ चला गया, you just keep on finding them. But ultimately you get hacker minds like you, but it's very difficult to find them. The best way to attract good talent that I realize, or best way to attract a good company is to go out there and share your views. LinkedIn, Twitter, I think it's the best way to build yourself professionally. I mean, if you want to go into fashion and other things, and obviously Instagram is there, but LinkedIn and Twitter are the two things which is your visiting card nowadays. Before you go and meet anyone else in this world today, startup in the early team, पहले 50 लोग किसी भी startup में जाते हैं, they are equivalent to the founders. They are building the things, or they are part of that thing itself. Right? They are not working in surrounding of that thing, they are part of that thing. The thing which is going to change the world, the thing which is going to change the way people do things. Right? So this is really important. So your presence attracts people. So this is how we solved the problem. When we were actually approaching a very formal way of taking people in, we were not finding any good talent. People were good, they got success in some other things they did, but for a startup they needed a hacker mindset. Hacker mindset means anywhere, any place, you just sit and work. Yep. Any other question? Don't be shy. Yeah.
How you have arranged for the first time funding? So, because it is the biggest challenge.
Yes.
So, for your first startup.
Okay. Sir, again, when you are building something, it's important to share your journey with people, because investors are also looking to make money out of you. तुम पे पैसा डालेंगे और उनसे उसका पैसा बनेगा. There are people who do only the scouting. I see 2 साल पहले मैं फर्म्स को रीच करता था, hey, I want to take investment, and nobody was interested. While I'm building this startup, talking to the companies, जब हम companies में बात करते हैं, one of the directors to whom I showed calls me in the evening, hey, I want to invest in your company, how can I? मैं invest भी करूँगा और product भी खरीदूँगा. One of the guy who runs the HR platform, I sold him, and this is again the another guy. He is now my investor. I sold him the product, he liked it so much, he put money on our vision. So these are the people who are the investors. And investment firms के कुछ scouts होते हैं, associates होते हैं, जिनकी duty ही startups को reach out करना है. They themselves come and reach out to you, hey, are you building something? I want to understand what you are building. So I got approached by the first investor of Coursera, edX, and she was also the first HR of Facebook, Twitter, and Google India team. She herself reached out and said, I want to invest in your startups. Though in current round we didn't take money from her because her ticket size was way too high. So we are going with them with the next round. But she herself reached because she saw what we were building and we were going out in the market and telling people. And she also got a good review from one of the clients. लोगों से बात करो, networking करो. You don't know what opportunities are waiting for you in that. Next.
What is the secret of your sales, sir?
My sales secret.
Yes.
Building relationships.
What is the only one thing?
Yes, building relationship means जब आप एक aim लेके जाते हो कि मुझे सिर्फ बेचना है. You only cram things कि ये हमारा product है, इतने का है, इतने features हैं, अब ये करोगे 2 महीने free दूंगा, इतना discount दूंगा, इतना billing करूंगा. But when you want them to really love your product, because in every company there's something called Net Promoter Score, NPS. NPS is a term defined by Bain and Company. So it means the Net Promoter Score means your customer or your employee or whomsoever is your stakeholder, does he or she actually promote your business to the other people? That is called the Universal Bragworthy Point, UBP. How many of you saw the WhatsApp ad before downloading it? Any show of hands? Nobody? Okay. How many of you knew the Flipkart ad before you started buying on it or knew about it? You did? Still less number of people. I think 99% of the people didn't see. It means that it was actually informed to you by your peers, by your friends, by your family. Hey, this is a website. This is a application called WhatsApp. That was the promotion without paying any money. Their NPS was so high, random people are telling about that. Right? This is the Net Promoter Score of anything. Its NPS is a term, is a specific corporate term. So NPS is something, while you understand the problem of people, जब आप जाते हो, let them speak. Let your customers speak what they want. Once they are done with telling all the things that they wanted, then you tell them how this solution will be helpful for them. They should say 70 things, you should say 20 things, and the 10 things should be mutual. This is how the sales is done. Anything else? Any other question? कोई और भी पूछ लो? No questions? Okay, then we'll conclude the session. Thank you everyone. I really felt joy sharing my journey with you. I hope you all could learn something and will apply the same learnings to your journey. Be it any path you take, be in any direction you take, just understand before going on to that direction that you have to learn, know and understand the points which are going to help you in that journey, what will be the resistance before making any decision in your life. Then I guess you're halfway there, you're halfway through the success. That's it. Thank you everyone.
Great, this session was really so inspiring, sir. Audience, I hope you feel the same. Yes, obviously not only inspiring, but your session was full of lessons too. What your journey basically taught us that you faced constant failures in your life. Before getting successful, you faced constant failures, which tells us that after getting the constant failures also and getting up after all those failures and learning from them by not repeating them again. That's what always everybody says. Always learn from your failures and never give up, and always get up, not repeating them. Thank you so much, sir, for such a motivational session for our young minds. We are so privileged to have you here. Thank you.